Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn with graphics step by step. So this is helpful if you want to find the right people for a role and make your job post look clear, professional, and easy to understand. So first, open up LinkedIn and log into your account. You can use your personal profile or a business related account depending on where you want to manage the hiring process. So this is your job posts, messages, and applicants updates in one place. So once you are on the LinkedIn homepage, go to the top menu and click Jobs. So this will take you to the LinkedIn Jobs section, and from there, look for the option that says Post a free job and click it to begin. Next, type the job title and make sure the title is simple and easy to search, and use a title that people already know instead of using short terms or company only words. So this helps more candidates understand what job is about, and after that, add the job description, and in this part, explain the main tasks, the skills needed, and what the person should expect from the role. So keep the words clear and direct, and you can also use graphics or visual like the job title, description box, and settings so that viewers can follow the steps more easily. Then continue to the job settings, and then LinkedIn may let you add screening questions such as work experience, certifications, or knowledge of certain tools. So these questions can help you find better matches faster, and you may also see options for automatic rejection settings, which can help manage applicants who do not meet the basic requirements. And before posting, check the email where you want to receive updates and make sure it is an email that you can check often, because LinkedIn may send notifications about applicants there. And you may also see an option to add a hiring frame to your profile photo. So this can let your network know that you are hiring. And then LinkedIn might also ask if you want to promote the job. If you do not want to pay for extra reach, you can skip the promotion and continue with the free posting option. You may also be asked to add a payment method for verification. So this does not always mean that you will be charged right away. And finally, review all the details before publishing. Check the job title description, settings, and contact email. And once everything looks correct, click the button to publish your job post. And after that, your job can start appearing to people who may be interested in applying. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.